Okay, hello everyone. Okay, in today's video I'll be putting off show on how to use this particular app called Gen V for free. If your Grok is disappointing you for the free version, I know many of us go for free version, and now that free version is rounding up, is closing, everybody is complaining left and right. Hey, where's Grow, where's so there's always a way out. Okay, so I'll be introducing this Gen V. Is an alternative. It's very good. I've just used it since yesterday. I've been using it. It's very good. I don't have the work that VO3 does. Is doing it so well. In fact, the pictures, the videos are excellent so far. I hope they don't alter their app later. Okay, so what do we do is an app. Go to your Play Store and then download this Gen V, open it. Okay, I think of course because I've opened it before, is coming to this interface. I think you are supposed to register. Okay, if I finish with this, maybe I will do the one with a new Gmail so that I can see. But all the same, I think you are supposed to register. Then when you come to this place, you look at this place here. Look at those place that I put line, scroll through so that you can see it. You can see Google View 3.1 fast. That is the one I'm using to do my video. It's so beautiful, and it will give us 8 seconds. I think you can see 8 seconds. There you have 720 pixel, the P, and then all that, and then the shape you want is 16:9 or 9:6. Okay, so let's go. This one, you can see it. So if I'm producing my video, this is what comes out because I'm using Google View 3.1 fast. Okay, but if you want to use other one, we have a AI Grok there. We have Google View 3.1, Google View 3.1 fast. Okay, and then the resolution, anyone you want, 8 seconds. We have 9.16, we have 16.9, anyone you want to use. Okay, so if you are here now, look at it. This place is what I chose. Look at it, Google View. Then place your prompt here. By now you will know that you ought to have created your prompts from chat. Okay, you place your prompts here. Or if you don't want to use your prompt, you want to create the prompt here, you can create it here. Say describe the content you want to create. Okay, I want a beautiful girl. Create a beautiful girl and all those kind of things. But let's go for video. I think that's what the Grok gives us that makes it excellent for us. Okay, so let's assume I've gotten a prompt. Let me place just any prompts there. Okay, I place a prompt here. I hope my prompt you will still be able to place. Okay, it's not this one I want to place. Let me get another prompt. Okay, you know, like a Grok, you just send an image there and tell the Grok what you want it to do. So you can see this place here. You can do the same, this place. So you can put your image. Let's import an image. Let me just import an image. It will come like this. Okay, then you upload your image. Okay, which one should I use? Let me use this girl. Okay, this is my image already here. So what do I want the image to do? Okay, I'm telling it what the good morning everyone. Have you been disappointed? Have you been disappointed by Grok? do not worry. I, Gen V, is here for you. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Here for you. Okay, then you press your create. Okay, you can see it now. It's creating. It's a free version, so you pause, let it roll, let it load. I will pause it so that I don't waste too much time. Okay, look at it. What it said: an error occur while creating the video. So what you do here is, when it happens like this, just go ahead and copy this. Look at this copy side, this side, so that your prompting will still be intact. So click on the copy, then go back, you come back here, place your prompting again. I took note that there was a mistake in my prompting. Good morning, everybody, everyone. Have you, I didn't put you there, so let me correct it now. Have you been disappointed by Grok? Do not worry. Hi Jen, let's put space. Hi Gen V is here for you. So you create it again. Remember, your picture has disappeared, so still put your picture there. Upload your picture. Okay, I hope you are getting it. I hope I'm not too fast. Okay, so create it again. Okay, so to limit the time, so let's pause it so that when it's uploaded, when it's complete, I will show us. Okay, you can see that it's loading. Okay, can you see it? Okay, let's play it. Can you hear it? So you can download it here. Download it, and it will let you know when it's downloaded. Okay, it's already downloaded in my gallery, so let's check it. Okay, this is it in my gallery. Let's play it.
Good morning, everyone. Have you been disappointed by Grok? Do not worry. iGen 5 is here for you.
Oh, it's as beautiful as that. So you can go ahead and then begin to use your Gen V. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. Bye.